The farmhouse has long been a symbol of heritage, family, and simplicity. Yet, as times evolve, so too must our homes. This video explores how concrete minimalism is reshaping the traditional farmhouse, combining durability, elegance, and modernity into a timeless architectural statement that respects the past while embracing the future. Concrete has transcended its industrial image. Once seen as cold or utilitarian, it is now celebrated as a medium of strength, texture, and refinement. In modern farmhouse design, concrete becomes the foundation, literally and aesthetically, offering resilience while maintaining minimalist purity and understated elegance that feels both familiar and groundbreaking. Minimalism strips away excess, focusing on essentials. When combined with farmhouse architecture, it creates an environment that celebrates function, light, and openness. The result is a home that honors traditional rural sensibilities, simplicity, practicality, warmth, while elevating them through clean lines, uncluttered interiors, and materials that stand the test of time. The phrase "timeless foundations" captures more than material strength. It embodies design principles that endure: simplicity, balance, and permanence. Concrete minimalism does not chase fleeting trends. Instead, it builds homes that remain relevant for generations, offering a sense of security, tranquility, and continuity within rapidly shifting cultural landscapes. Traditional farmhouses often relied on wood and stone, materials rich in texture but vulnerable to decay. By integrating concrete, designers create homes that resist weathering while preserving the rustic essence through form and layout. The transition is subtle. The farmhouse feels renewed but never disconnected from its origins. Concrete minimalist farmhouses are not about erasing tradition, they reinvent it. The gabled roofs, wide porches, and open interiors of old farmhouses still exist, but in pared-down forms. Innovation enters through smooth surfaces, linear geometry, and large glass panels, merging historic character with a sleek modern framework that feels timeless. In an age of noise, digital saturation, and urban density, the concrete minimalist farmhouse becomes a sanctuary. Its quiet simplicity, robust construction, and connection to the land invite slow living. It offers a place to pause, reflect, and reconnect with essentials, nature, family, and the architectural beauty of restraint. concrete is not only strong, it is sustainable when used wisely. Farmhouses built with concrete require less maintenance, withstand harsh climates, and can incorporate recycled materials. With energy-efficient design, passive cooling, and natural ventilation, these homes embody long-term resilience while reducing their ecological footprint, aligning with global sustainability goals. Inside, concrete minimalism extends beyond walls. Smooth floors, neutral palettes, and simple finishes create serene atmospheres. Yet these spaces avoid sterility by incorporating warm textures like wood accents, woven textiles, and earthy tones. The farmhouse interior becomes a calming retreat, striking a delicate balance between minimalist precision and rural coziness. Minimalism redefines proportion. Concrete farmhouses often embrace elongated volumes, simple rectangular masses, and double-height spaces. These forms echo barn structures, but with a modern twist: sharper lines, bolder spans, and uninterrupted planes. The architecture nods to agricultural history while delivering striking visual clarity and architectural confidence. farmhouses are deeply connected to the land. Concrete minimalism enhances this connection by incorporating terraces, courtyards, and outdoor living spaces. These elements blur boundaries, making the house feel like an extension of its natural setting. Whether set in fields or forests, the home breathes with its surrounding landscape. One of concrete's greatest strengths lies in its neutrality. Its muted tones act as a backdrop for natural surroundings. Greenery, wooden furnishings, and seasonal changes stand out vividly against minimalist concrete walls. The material does not compete, it elevates the beauty of nature, allowing the farmhouse to exist in harmony. Though concrete may seem cold, its character deepens when paired with warm elements. Exposed timber beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and soft fabrics contrast beautifully with concrete surfaces. This dialogue between rough and smooth, hard and soft creates visual richness while maintaining the farmhouse's minimalist ethos of balance and restraint. The kitchen has always been the heart of a farmhouse. In concrete minimalist design, it becomes streamlined yet welcoming. Sleek countertops, integrated storage, and open layouts allow for functionality. Natural wood cabinetry, stoneware, and artisanal lighting soften the space, making it modern but deeply rooted in farmhouse tradition. Bedrooms in concrete farmhouses prioritize serenity. Neutral palettes, uncluttered layouts, and natural textures cultivate restfulness. Large windows frame rural vistas, reminding inhabitants of their bond with nature. These spaces embody the minimalist philosophy: less distraction, more focus on essential comforts, transforming sleep into an act of calm restoration. Bathrooms embrace concrete in its purest form. Polished floors, sculptural sinks, and walk-in showers highlight minimalism's sculptural potential. The use of stone, bamboo, and soft lighting adds warmth, transforming the bathroom into a spa-like refuge. Functionality and beauty converge, celebrating water, light, and natural textures within a minimalist setting. Concrete minimalist farmhouses honor communal life. Open-plan living areas encourage togetherness, while subtle design gestures, like fireplaces framed in concrete or long dining tables, bring people together. These spaces embody the farmhouse spirit, a home not only for individuals but for family, friends, and community, reimagined for modern living. From humid tropics to arid plains, concrete adapts to diverse climates. Its thermal mass regulates indoor temperatures, reducing reliance on mechanical systems. Farmhouses can be designed to capture breezes, maximize shade, or retain warmth. This adaptability reinforces the farmhouse as a universal archetype, resilient against environmental challenges of the future. Designers see the farmhouse as fertile ground for experimentation. By applying minimalist principles to this traditional form, architects push boundaries, testing spatial arrangements, material combinations, and environmental strategies. Each project becomes a dialogue between history and innovation, producing unique interpretations of what a farmhouse can be in the modern era. Despite its austere appearance, concrete minimalism evokes strong emotions. Its permanence offers reassurance, its simplicity brings clarity, and its scale provides grounding. For many, a concrete minimalist farmhouse represents stability in uncertain times, an anchor where design is not just aesthetic, but deeply psychological, shaping how we feel at home. concrete farmhouses balance affordability with sophistication. While construction may initially seem costly, durability reduces long-term expenses. Minimalist design avoids excess finishes, keeping interiors simple and cost-efficient. This makes the style accessible not only to luxury homeowners, but also to those seeking practical, lasting, and environmentally conscious architectural solutions. Technology enables prefabricated concrete panels and modular systems that accelerate farmhouse construction. These solutions reduce waste, improve quality control, and make minimalist farmhouses more attainable. Prefabrication supports the democratization of design, ensuring that concrete minimalism is not reserved for elite projects but accessible to diverse communities worldwide. Minimalism thrives on honesty. In a concrete farmhouse, nothing is hidden. Surfaces reveal natural imperfections, structures expose their form, and materials speak for themselves. This authenticity resonates with the farmhouse spirit, which has always valued practicality and integrity. The home becomes not just a shelter, but a truthful expression of design. Though rooted in rural tradition, the concrete minimalist farmhouse adapts to urban settings. Compact forms, rooftop gardens, and concrete's noise resistance make it ideal for cities. By carrying rural simplicity into dense neighborhoods, these homes offer urban dwellers a retreat that preserves the farmhouse's essence within modern landscapes. Different cultures reinterpret the farmhouse through their own lenses. In Scandinavia, it emphasizes light and wood. In Asia, it embraces courtyards and natural ventilation. In Latin America, it merges indoor and outdoor living. Concrete minimalism adapts seamlessly, proving that timeless foundations transcend cultural boundaries while honoring local traditions. Minimalist farmhouses encourage intentional living. Without visual clutter, residents focus on experiences, relationships, and nature. This simplicity reduces stress and fosters mindfulness. Concrete solidity reinforces emotional stability, grounding inhabitants in spaces that feel both strong and peaceful, an antidote to modern chaos and overstimulation. Concrete minimalism equips farmhouses for the future, resistant to climate extremes, adaptable to new technologies, and aligned with sustainability principles. These homes endure. Their minimalist character ensures they remain stylish even as trends shift. They are not bound to a particular decade, but designed to remain relevant across generations. Concrete minimalist farmhouses are more than architectural experiments. They are timeless legacies. They honor the farmhouse's original values of simplicity and connection while reinventing them through durability, modernity, and restraint. These homes stand as both symbols of heritage and visions of the future, rooted in foundations that never fade. As we've seen, the farmhouse is no longer confined to rustic nostalgia. Through concrete minimalism, it becomes a living concept, one that adapts, evolves, and inspires. Whether rural or urban, traditional or futuristic, the farmhouse remains timeless because it embodies what matters most: strength, simplicity, and the beauty of living with less.